Hi, my friend. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Enjoy watching.
Let's stock my new car.
Stock my new car with me. Oh my god, I can't believe I got my dream pink G-Wagon. Obviously, we're gonna start with the car keys. I have this pink Mercedes key and a pink Touchland hand sanitizer, an air tag, and a little jelly cat. Yes, you read that right. The license plate does say country. I don't know who at the Texas DMV approved that, but love you so much. I always keep some goodies back here, some leather wipes, a first aid kit, anything I need to keep my car really fresh. Obviously, an umbrella and a little glass breaker in case of an emergency. Okay, now this is where all the fun stuff comes in. I have this little sunglass hanger thingy, and then this is kind of my like emergency go kit. It has a little wet brush, some toothbrush and toothpaste, Advil and a little shout wipe, makeup remover and regular wipes, a lint roller and some Altoids, and obviously some more hand sanitizer for you dusty, musty. Okay, I had this made on Etsy with all of my favorite little things to hang on my rearview mirror. Now, you know I'm a girly on the go, so obviously I have to have a way better mirror. I love these because you can control the temperature and the brightness. Also got this retractable pink phone charger because I hate having cables everywhere, and I got this pearl one for the back seat. Little trash bins because I drive my brothers around whenever I'm home and they make a mess. Obviously, I had to get the Diptyque scent. These smell so good, and my car just smells like fresh roses. Anyways, that's everything I keep in my new car. I'm literally obsessed. Okay, love you guys so much. Bye.
I recently bought a new car, so come stock my car with me, starting with this leather trunk organizer. I love how spacious this thing is, and I also love the handles on the side, makes it easy to carry. It fits my paper towel, and I also have this AAA first aid kit. You never know when you need this, so putting that there. It's also my first time owning a leather interior car, so I have this leather wipes here. Rainy season is also upon us, so I thought of adding an umbrella, but I actually should have put this inside, but whatever. I'll be adding more to this organizer soon, but that's it for now. For the inside, I have these silicone coasters for the cup holders. It came in a pack of 4, so 2 in the front, and then I also put 2 in the back, which is very clutch. Love the contrast here with the black and the beige, it's perfect. I have to make sure I have a trash can in the car because I hate trash in the car. And for the scent, I went with Febreze Auto in the color, in the scent Noir. It smells so good. This is my favorite one right here. It's a mini screen cleaner. You just spray and then you wipe. Like it's so good. I also got this leather folder for my vehicle registration and whatnot. Fits perfectly in the glove box. And finally, the center console. I'm gonna be so mother right now. So I have Tums here. I have some hand sanitizer, and then I also have some Advil. Then I also added some Tide OxyClean for any accidents. Of course, I can't forget about gum, and we have Pepto here as well. The spray that we used earlier, which actually matches the car interior, and some CarMax specifically just for the car. I also like to have cash in the car, but I'm gonna store it in this hidden storage in the driver's seat. It's so good. That's pretty much it. Everything is linked in my bio if you're interested.
Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
don't seem to understand.